tulo ka buok ang CR. Kadayon tayo ng Christmas party. Si Carlo ginawa kadayon, no?
Uy, si Ronald Castalya, mapas na pumilan. Ano na, pag-apas? Ayan, sa isa, kabatok yan.
Nakuha sa Google. Ano kayo, maka-proud ang batch 2012. Yadayon ng Christmas party.
Yeah.
Let's go to Tagos. Tagos Surigao del Sur. At sa taas. Di kita, welcome, hello, welcome. May pag-Ireland. Guess. Woo, guess kita. Guess. Yaon ako gift. Wait, G. Hi, samurai. Hello, we ready guys to G yan.
Gian, sila di samurai.
Or pa Mars, mga food. Oh.
Ala, babe, perfect.
Ha? Yang kuan ini uy.
Awan mo,
Magtay lang, magtay.
Tay uniform kay wala ba na niya himo.
Sorry.
Fantasy mga kuan ganun. Pachi ba?
Grabe mga outfit.
Oh, ganun yung kalo. Yung isa,
Samurai gid si G yan.
a year ago.
Year ago ba?
You know this would happen.
Chi ba sini ka magkuan gaya ha, mag Star of the Night.
Star of the night kay Jan.
Ano na ba prize sa best in costume?
Star of the night gid si Gian Ping. Di na kami mukuan G mo sa laban.
Grabe mag-costume pa dalang.
Ala, G, complete.
Hala! Sana ka na gid mga kuan.
Dito pa ko. Bim, mabili ko nun eh. Paruhon pa lagi din.
Paris gid garo kami ni Gian.
I will stop you.
Dito pa food basi ko.
Banda sa ako siya. Ano pa sa punta ko darang mo kit?
Paris garo kami ni Gian. Mag Korean ba garo ko G. Ting ka nakdayon pa ng bato. Drawer. Grabe na drawer. Ganito. Yan. Dapat doon ibunda mo, G. Alam nila, enjoy life. Wala, cute. Wala pa. Yan, bim-bim. Wala. Uy, Mars, sure kayo din eh. Kita rin iyakan eh. Di ba? Huwag yun yung lalaki. Wala, cute video. So cute. So, maning 7.5 Mars.
Siguro, Mars.
Cute, no?
Then there's another one upstairs.
Ah, cute.
Kuan lang lower jo.
Wala mo tigya ako. The CR.
Kami, look! Kanina po na yung kanta na pang anime. Pang anime, sino ka mag-isip pang anime? Yung Naruto. Sige, Peng. Sige, Peng. Yan bang background na po na? Yung sa mga away-away mo, yung away-away. Naruto na, Naruto.
Itong flute, Naruto nga flute.
Kawasaki.
Kawasaki motor.
Ano? Nahuhos na. Ulo ng karon ni Kuya. Ano? Yan.
Ikaw na malakso. Kawasaki. Honda.
Kawasaki ang mga Honda. Motor.
Taga-Imcor.
Pangalan sila ng Honda.
Taga-Imcor, eh.
刀を抜きたくはないし
Ah, tulo ka buok ang CR. Kasi ba this? Dayawi.
Apil na ba yung sa pagdan?
Ah. Nice ha, no? Gan.
Makakikita before magbuhay. Makakikita na. O, before ito mag-start. Una yung sinabi ko man diwata ka mag-start. Ano yung may sinabi ka sa ama?
Ano be?
At least 4 per group. 4
On the spot?
per group.
On the spot?
interview.
Sumakat na ko ng time.
Yeah,
Nag-prepare.
di ba na diretso na magpilit daw ulitan sa
Okay.
No time to
Free
practice.
start yan.
Or sayaw.
Anything. Sino yung mag-welcome? Sinani garo plano ko kaya.
Sinani
Kaya wala di pa lang ito una. Sinani kaya feeling ka niyo. Then ang closing. Bimbe kaya wala yan last year. Wala last year.
Ay, ikaw mo closing remark.
Oh, kasi yun.
Hello.
Reserve ka lang kami ng musik ba?
Requesting everyone to please come up on the venue because at any moment we will start our program. Again, requesting all
Wow!
the
Tayo
participants
sudet.
to come
Pasabog
here
kayo kita mayo.
in the venue because we will start
Maninood
our
kayo.
program at any moment. Thank you.
Acknowledging the arrival.
From Thailand.
Inform na ko ka din United Nations.
Cute ikaw, be. Cute ikaw.
Ari taga Hogwarts. Ari taga Thailand. We have from the Philippines. We have from Japan. Samurai, Japan. We have from Colombia and from Croatia.
Kaya matutulog lang po. Matutulog lang po.
From Boracay. Bali. From Bali. Bali, Indonesia.
Yun din kay Pani ang tambay sa kanton. Si Eric Paninian, Muslim.
I'm from Hogwarts.
Dapat kay gadara ako ng buwan. Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. 1, 2, 3, mic test. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this 22nd Daraga ng Poblasyon 2025.
Daraga ng poblasyon.
Oh. The camera is here.
To cry, love you first to know.
Ah! Ganun pala.
Aso nga.
Yung kanak.
Baka na Ben. Baka na taas Ben.
Cutie. Cutie.
Ito, ito po yan. Ay, no?
Basta mo lang kami nagdante para malapit sa bakit yung na kao mo may tutubo dito.
Di ito.
Ay ako. Maganda. Yan, yan. Gang sa gang sa.
Done. Done, guys.
Yung kinito next time.
Dada. Ay, nakayot.
Na, dado, next. So, ayun dado.
Ay, masas mo kayo, pwede. Wala ka, uli ka pa. Ay, nice masas. Wala ka, sige, trabi. Uy, ayun na. Ay, nani.
Dali, babasin mo sa'yo. Buti lain.
Madami ko, Toy. Wala nga namin kariko.
Ay, Ronel! Ronel! Dali, Nel!
Dali, Nel. Ronel! Dali, Nel.
Da! Baka masupay sa tuto dapat. Tayo ngayon. Malusin na lang yan ako. Ano ba yun? Kasi hindi ka lang dyan. Siyempre ka lang yapon. Nel! Ali, Nel! Ari ka rin papalik namin yan. Taot-taot.
Mag-pwede ka ba magpainas?
Pwede ba? Pwede ka naman.
Ganyan ka lang.
Nel! Ali, Nel! Okay. Ronel, lakan. Okay, ready ka.
Sige, Ronel.
Mag-park ka naman yung mag-park kung alak ka. Party na ka naman. O, picture lang kita na. Nel! Alita, Nel!
Gabi mo yung sa kuhan.
Alam mo. Palahian.
Dili ba ka dislahi ka ng kamera gayud na?
Amo gani. Oh,
Ayun.
So pwede ra yan malang baka di sawa.
Pak!
Dire sa kuhan.
O yun, ano pa yung other TikTok na ito na ikimukon?
ito raw thankful.
Ang sensor may gibad.
Dali, Nel. Ka mag-picture kita. Dali, Nel.
Kaya mo kikatikat.
Nel, dali. Sira. Go now. Daming cheer. Toyong ka sa ura-ura. Toyong. Ay, sabi.
Kaya pilang tulong ng coke ya, isa ka coke. Wala sa mga picture kita mga guys. For the
Oh,
content.
cute.
Kung lagyan cherry.
Nani.
There's na.
Nikaan mo ang cake. Cherry on top. Cherry on top.
What they're getting is walk 6. Ah! Dili may sa tanong ko.
Saying I love you, I meant to. Now I know what you're like. The kiss, I know you feel it again. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. The very next day, you gave it to me. Save the tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Wala na yaman na yun eh.
Flash sa likod. Tago na info. Doon na?
Now, 5 minutes to eat all your food.
Ah, wow, 5 minutes na kan.
There's no money, you can sell it to the pawn shop.
Yes, we are working. Christmas reminds us that the best gifts are love, time, and togetherness. Madayaw na doon, kamayunan!
Kaya na do.
Ayan, to formally start our short program, may I request Eric Pineda for the opening prayer. So requesting everyone to please stand.
Requesting everyone to stand and to our first testimony. Lord Jesus, thank you very much for this night that we are together, especially for their presence tonight, that other persons also learn
Start with the representative from
Pasaran din eh.
the Department of Information and Communication Technology, Engineer Eric Pineda. Okay, our next participant, the business tycoon of Marihatag, the owner of La Suerte Mining Corporation, Mr. Rodel Castaño!
This is like,
Our next guest is no other than the former Undersecretary of DANR, Region 11, the Princess of Kobe, Miss Riza Rizal. Okay, our next guest is then no other than the former tourism officer of Marihatag, LGU Marihatag, and currently the owner of RHU. Miss Shandy Naranjo, palapakan po natin. And then next is the Cebu Milker. All the way from Cebu City, no other than Charlene Toko.
yay!
Next is the CEO and the owner of Canto Uno, Mrs. Riza Orbestanda. Let us also acknowledge the presence of our guest all the way from Colombia, Camila Cabello. And our next guest all the way from Croatia, Daniel Padilla. And our next guest, another business tycoon of Marihatag, the owner of Nilmar Marketing, Gian Sobiano, ladies and gentlemen. Is the hardworking virtual assistant, ET and Company, ABC Company, Jordan Mutia. Next is the owner of Frantro Butuan, the former owner, the CEO, Jessa Libaybay.
Ikaw. The owner of Island.
The successor of Simba. Okay, thank you so much. And now to let us welcome to hear us a welcome message. May I request Miss Riza Rizal. Mag-welcome ko sa laman. Welcome. Again,
Everyone, formally good ba yun? So, I hope you guys like the place.
Thank you.
So, I hope na mag-enjoy kita tanan. I hope you two will enjoy as well. And antod magkaadlaw, mag-enjoy kita tanan. And maghubog kamo tanan. So thank you and
Thank you for that very inspiring message, Ma'am Risa, the Undersecretary of DNR. Next point, let us witness an intermission number from may group ini? Group 1, ang Group 1, kamulang intermission number from the Group 1. Oh, pasalong lang sa ulo. Ano na yung action?
Magsunod-sunod na kami.
Dapat 7:50.
Once again, the Group 1, palakpakan naman natin dyan! Once again, mga kapamilya, the Group 1.
So far, so this opportunity maybe for you, for you, maybe for you. Arizona beat, slow down. Thanks. That's so fun. So this opportunity maybe for you, maybe for you.
Okay, thank you! Thank you, Group 1. Okay.
Yay!
Okay, thank you so much, Group. And
Music! Yay!
Pang-video lang, pang-reels. Para lang ko talaga intermission.
okay, palakpakan natin natin mga sarili. And now, let us proceed to the next part of the program, which is the exchanging of the gift.
Oh, yeah. Kuya, ka na. Ayaw na kaya na. Leg! Ready na? Oy, tag-isa ra yaw. Go, go. Not many. Simon.
Wala. Ano yung dapat?
Ibig na 12 kasi kusan.
Hindi dapat hindi mag-inom na kan.
Okay. Anak na kapi, mati to kayo.
Yan piyo sa taas.
Uy, sabon mo, sabon na yung dawat ko. Yate.
Halika na. Hindi na may wala.
Uy, ako tingin siya ako pala. Ay, mami sa sound. Uy, luma magkuha. Uy, uy, uy. Uy, later.
Powder.
Isa lang ini, either perfume or foot. Uy, gani ayo. Manam-manam dala naman namon. Uy, ayo may daw ka dito. Oh, bagay bagay ako na dito. Hoy, tagwa. Wala ma, sige. Tagsoy. Tagwa.
Uy, wala ini oh. Wala kagkuha. Anak ko ko TV.
Uy, wala sa tingnan na kapit. Hoy, kamata. Or lotion, mga kwan. Okay.
Okay. Wala yapin pa ni.
Tugaw. Uy, ibibig ko lang pala. Oh,
Wala ta boting.
ibibig ko lang.
Ito ginagali. Ito na mo ginagali.
Tuwari ka mo nila. Kaya na ka. Uy, baklas! Fireball! Yay!
Pati sa may mga ino.
So it's so funny na ang gibunod ko kanina with then this person, ang sabi niya gibunod ko last year.
Oh, last year! Ay, yaman ako!
So, Pipe.
Yan na yun.
Piping. Funny. We all know Piping is funny. Yeah, like the party. And the downside is gahi ang ulo. Stubborn. And then,
O, kasi collection ka rin.
Piping is also a giver.
Hey, next, the one who will receive my gift is the representative from the DICT. And this gift is for the fish and the meat. This gift is for Eric. Greetings kay Eric. Okay, that's Eric.
Small but beautiful. Ako na to, may daughter na.
Describe lang, ulit gift mo, kasi mo yung hatap.
So then,
Describe lang, kamo gift, ulo yan, tapos
this one is very useful because magamit mo kayo din pag ay kamo kaganyan.
we can really use it.
During the dark times,
During dark time.
three things about Kang Ronel.
Boy!
Nagita. Pero Ronel, Nagita. Gusto man dito plano.
Hey,
Hey, sound check. Sound check.
so,
Latido.
kana pihabutan kay white ladies.
White lady. So white.
Okay, oh.
Okay. Okay. Sana sa
Hoy!
I think it's a white.
Ako, ang kanang pihabutan kay grabe kabugutan, way labad, way libog. Isa mo yan? Way lahin. Ha?
Mali. Ikaw ay malibog.
Malibog ka, pwede ka pwede. Gian! Gian kayo.
You can use this after you take a bath and swimming. Three things is kind, handsome.
Funny. Like a joke.
Ilang lang, may tawag sa.
Ay, uli gift mo. Uli gift mo. Ikaw nang gift mo. Ikaw na ay.
Kuha niya nga, gamit sa number 1. She has a soft heart and pretty.
I'm single.
Ready to mingle?
Okay, so
Open.
we will be opening our gifts in 3, 2, 1. Wow, thank you, Nick.
Nice.
Thank you, Nick.
Yang utana po taro si.
Oh, nice.
Secret. Kaya nga wag na kalaw.
Lamparahan sa kanina.
Oh, nice. Ganani, ni, ikaw naman. Maganda dark side.
Ano yan? Gamit sa tinig, kayo may pang-boto po.
Di ba, magka-toner ka, Jing? Magka-toner ka.
Okay, so satisfied ba ang tanan? Once again, Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year! Okay, at this point, we will have the next part of the program, which is the parlor games. Ang parlor games mo kita? Parlor games. Ayan. So, ang mag-initiate ng parlor games.
Ano, love? Love like heart. Joy. Hope. And then you're like that. Hope.
So, this is Topo Martin's iconic Love, Joy, Hope.
Love, joy.
So, love,
Joy, hope. Uy, backward. Love.
backward. And you can take, sige. If it's possible, one line, or everyone has to be, Okay. Again. Children, 1, 2, 3, go. Love, joy, hope. Love, joy, hope. Love,
Joy.
love, hope. Okay, ready? Faster, it has to go faster. And you need to execute like this is
Love. Heart. Love. Joy.
okay, ready?
Love,
Joy.
Joy. Hope.
Love. Joy. Hope.
love,
Joy.
hope,
Love,
Joy.
Okay. Ready?
Love.
Joy.
Hope.
Love. Joy. Hope. Siwa. Okay, ready? Go!
Love. Joy.
Hope.
Love.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, go! Love.
Joy. Hope.
Love. Joy.
Hope.
Okay, how is it? Oh, nakarecord. 1, 2, 3, go!
Love. Joy. Hope.
Love.
Okay, wait, oh. Okay, again, go back to love, okay? Go back to love. 1, 2, 3, go! Love.
Joy.
Hope.
Love.
Joy. Hope.
Love.
Joy.
Hope.
Okay. How do you feel today, sir?
I'm having fun.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Love.
Joy. Hope.
Love.
Joy.
Bye-bye! Okay, ready? Go!
Love. Love.
Joy.
Hope.
Okay, last word.
Pinay, brother.
Okay, ready? Go!
Love. Joy. Hope. Love.
Joy.
Hope. Love. Joy. Hope. Love. Joy. Hope.
Love.
Joy. Hope.
Love.
Joy. Hope. Love.
Ay, father good? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Love. Joy. Hope. Love.
Joy.
Hope.
Love.
Tatlo.
Again, love.
Joy.
Okay, bye-bye. You realize it right away? Okay. So let's go back to every parade. And, Leo, we don't do faster. So if you can't say it right away, you're out. Good student and good mom.
Advisor ang nasa section malasakit.
Okay. Faster dapat ha?
Love. Joy. Love. Hope. Love. Joy.
Hope.
Love. Joy. Hope.
Love.
Joy.
Hope.
Okay. Ready? May bracelet to. 1 million. Sari-sari package. Okay, 1, 2. Joy Hope Lord. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Love. Joy. Hope. Love. Joy.
Feeling.
Our first honor is, what can you say, madam?
I deserve it.
Open.
I-open na para makalimutan.
Later, Doc. Later. Pwede, ritabiyaw ko na yung tatanawad.
Era kayo. Hindi pa isa ko man. Okay. Okay. If I say
Para makita ba?
yes, if I say yes, everyone jump to the right.
Right, yes.
If I say no, to the left. Yes, no. Yes, no. Okay? So if someone jump, forward.
Forward to the beat.
Are you okay there, guys? Yeah. So if I say yes, you jump to the right. If I say no, to the left. So if I say yes and someone goes to the left, they're automatically out. And same as if I say no, and if you jump to the right, you're out. Okay, hindi ako may parang klaro kung ano space. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, maybe.
Maybe for you.
Oh, yes is right. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. No. Maybe. Yes. 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 No. It has to go faster. Faster. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. No. Okay, final. No more trial. No more trial. Yati, ako na yung ikahinay ito itong ambak sa likod. Naman agad ng... Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Uy! Pas-pasin ko ambak. Faster. You need to jump right away. Otherwise, if you're a little bit late, then you're out. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. No. Yes. Eh, hindi. Bye-bye, Eric. Bye-bye, Eric. Eric, Eric, para bantayan. Tama ko bubantay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Nobody. Again, so I will change it, okay? Yes is to the left, no to the right. Yes to the left, no to the right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. No. Okay. No is still to the right. Yes to the left. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. No. Bye-bye, Mars. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. No. Yes. No. Yes. Eh. Sige. From Unilever.
Okay, open.
Open the gate.
Ito lang. Okay, sponsor.
Sponsor sa. Those remarks from Jordan Nekia.
Bim-bim. Amo gift mo, Bim.
Thank you, guys.
Pwede keyword na lang, tapos i-explain the badis.
Uy, mas enda kang mo.
Keyword lang ba ito?
Munit lang gift.
Tingnan ba din mo, Ping?
Ang gani. Uy, the Milo is really good, actually.
So we listed our small and big wins in life this year. So here's what we're going to do. So this is an example only for reference, okay? So we will going to read our small and big wins that is listed here. The paper. We're going to read it loud as we can.
Wow, cutie. Hi, guys. Sister Nani.
Brother Jordan. Brother. Brother, mag-mic, no mag-mic. Brother
Sige
Jordan.
da, ready da?
Aha, aha.
Uy, record mo, Bim.
Ay, wala sige. Sige da. Balik kasi.
Ayaw na yung kanta, diretso na yung kanta.
Balik na pamilya. Balik na. Sige da.
Sila ba yung Bim? Yawa naman eh.
Kiping.
Tama na, Bim.
Okay da?
Naman na si sir.
Pasko, dali na po.
Uy, pagbato ka mo. Itak na nani. Taas dito.
Go.
Ay, puka to mo. Ha?
Mag-Thai accent ako, okay na.
Hi, my name is Jordan. I was brave enough to step out of the comfort zone this year.
Sige daw.
Si Rolet ko lang mga kadubi.
Di ka lampay?
Ulan ko, Ping.
Ay, ito na po mo. Itak na nani. Taas dito.
Seryoso ka dyan na way. Like,
Oo.
Ako ay gamay.
Ready, go.
Hi, my name is Jordan. I was brave enough to step out of my comfort zone this year. This year, I choose to love others.
So hi, I'm Riza. This year I become more patient even after the rejections and delays, and I made it through the twists and turns of long distance love.
Hi, my name is Shani, and this year I got a regular job and my first international travel. This year I discovered myself that I'm strong and beautiful. So I went to Baku concert. It was my dream.
Hello.
Look for a place to hide. Did someone break your heart inside?
One gun.
Lay down your heart. 121
Nani.
guns. Make all your heart. You and I. When you're at the end of the road,
Tayo, may dito ito.
and you lost those things of control, and your thoughts have taken the toll. When your mind starts to do is wrong,
You'll be. Ito ka na ito. Itong lang ng kagawan.
it's a love
Sorry, baby, just say yes.
Dito, pwede ba rin nagalaman sa taas? Direct sa inyo, eh.
story sneak out.
To the garden and see you.
Close your mind. Stay down for a little while. Kiss you Romeo was a scarlet letter. My daddy said, stay away from
Why?
Juliet. But you were everything to me. I was begging you, please don't go. And I said, don't go, take me.
Sa?
I'll be waiting. All you had to do is run. You be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story. Baby, just say yes. Romeo, say me. This love is difficult, but it's real.
Everybody, put your hands in the air. Alright, put your butts in the air.
Hello, hello.
Butts everywhere.
Going back to Honolulu just to get there.
You wowie wowie.
Pusi ako, pusi. Yaw, mahulog siya.
Going back to Honolulu just to get there. Maui, 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 Maui. Going back to Honolulu just to get there. The Maui, Maui, the Maui, Maui. So high. So high.
likuan ko ni Gian. Gian Michael.
Siciliano nella tua notte.
The language ako. The language. Sige.
Kutera que vayan la más grande Maraming salamat po sa BFS Resto Bar. It has a high pitch. Maybe I cannot reach it.
Do it now. But I'm not hearing the words you say. You're talking loud, that's saying much.
ที่ว่าส่วนตะไนนี่เอาคุณละดูเฮ้ย
Yeah, but we need to wait till 5.
Then don't sleep.
That's a fair point. But,
Yeah.
I'll just go.
Okay. So, to conclude this program,
Alaw na lang hapon, pero
I am requesting Denny for a closing message. Before they go back to where they want to go, yeah, before you go back to Honolulu with Maui Wawi, give a short closing message for everyone. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Denny.
Thank you for the announcement. Well, I would like to thank everybody for hosting us here, even though we are not from your batch, but we feel as if we are. Yes, thank you for introducing us to the Filipino culture, to the Filipino way of doing parties and year-end Christmas festivities, parties. Yeah.
Festivals.
We learned a lot about the different games that you play and things that you do, and about gift giving. So yes. Do you want to say something?
Okay, Kami, please.
Here also from Kami.
I'm also thankful for everyone, like since this introduce us to you, like each of you, to make us feel really comfortable and warm, like literally calling us right away, Kami and Demi, that's a lot, so we can feel the Filipino warm. And also for us it's new doing a program. Program during part. Really the dances, the TikToks for us it's also a cultural shock, like the kinds of cell phones that you have. But it's good that you enjoy doing it with your friends and that all of you are really close even after many years of high school. Thanks. I heard it's Bash 2012.
Yes.
It's really cool that you are still like together and those are the friends that matter as well. So thank you for receiving us in this one.
This. How about this, Raisa?
We'll go to Colombia also.
Oh, if not right now, but if any of you already go to Colombia at any point, message me. I will be really happy to call. Recommendation, whatever. I'm your guide there in Colombia. So.
Thank you. Wow.
Thank you so much.
This. Apela si Des.
And then there's also here a message from this.
So, guys, we will drink at Canto Uno soon or we're going to get at MacArthur's Place for New Year's.
Welcome.
Ano pa one eh? Oh. And thank you so much, Lenny and Kami. Welcome to our batch.
This is the batch
2012. Yeah, we're crazy, we're loud, and we love each other.
I know that this is at the end. This is at the end, so this song, guys, is for you.
Aww. Actually, we're just the only batch that we do this.
It's been a long
Wow!
without you, my friend. It's like when I see you again. We come a long way from where we began. Shawty had to let my mind change, boost with the fur. That whole promise looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, she got low, 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 low. And then the same days in the real estate. She turned around with a big hey. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, she got low, 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 low. I know this thing around and I made me go. This crazy on, let's let me go. And I'm in the vibe and I'm about to go. Doing them big kicks, this stole the show. So sexual, so professional, doing accidental. Holds out, baby. solid boy. She get back on me, I go home. Cause she don't follow me, go where he goes. She got the whole bottle of gin. One sweet the fur. The whole club is looking at her. She hit the flow. Next time you know, shawty got low, 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 low. The man is red panties and the Reeboks with the straps. She turn around and bring the big booty in his neck. She hit the flow. Next time you know, shawty got low, 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 low. Shawty, why you gotta get your home? My jeans are wrapping, ready for show. Hey, let's snap back on the system. Call me the left, I'll make you move. Respect the move. Let's read out what you think I'm playing. The big man, I'm very. Now when that's all I need to my show. It was always a journey. I'm going to be like a soldier. So we'll be over. I couldn't move. So that you me, I was so that it blew. Shorty was on like a toast. Sorry, but I have to fold. Sorry, but I have to fold. She showed up. I'm like you. Looking at her, she hit the flow. They say you know, shawty got low, low, low. Come back to sweating panties and the Reeboks with the straps. She turn around and bring that big booty is mad low. She hit the flow. They say you know, shawty got low. Ooh, shawty, she was a boy on my leg, and mama took my fish. I don't want it back. No way she bring the bag. That's when they favorite stacks. Till the bottom back. I had to on the bed. I was on it, fixed it wrong. Get me shoulder, made me want it. Only morning, I've been flooding. And the road was falling for bed. She wanted to stop, made it drop. Got the heat that bumped the love. I had to break her off the glove. Yeah, she's like that black my glove. Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole town is looking at her. They say you know, sure you low, 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 low. Them bandits with panties and the Reeboks.
nagasayal. Butangan ng sayal. Nagsayal si Gia. Nutropping. Ituring gikan. Heartbeat
to the beat of the drums. What a shame that you came here with someone.
Wag gupit.
You're here
Yung pagupit.
Let's make the most of the night like we're going to die young.
Peng! Peng! Iwit-iwit ka, Peng! Peng! Di! Wala si Daddy, Mi! Mi! Ninja! Bayot na ninja. Yawa, may bag ko yawa.
I'ma let you know, keep it simple. Tryna keep it up, so simple. I just fucked two bitches before I saw you. And you don't have to do it at my tempo. Always try to send me off to rehab. Just start feeling like it's decaf.
gifts for all. Okay. Just gonna put this one where to make it safe here. Toothpick. Then sweet vanilla shower gel, body luxury. I have juicy color. Then shot glass. Then I have this is a bottle, empty bottle. Put many liquid and another empty bottle. And there's Milo jam bites. Safeguard, a toothpaste. Kala. The Fruitos Mini Pie Bits. Then Choco Fun Cookies and Cream. Then Cloud9. Then that's all. Tumbler. This is a thermos. Bye. That's all. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. Ha? Grabing kiat. Good morning.
Yeah.
Dapat ka ligar ito Sabado, no?
Mga sa.
Sabado, para siya manguli. Bukan tama.
Gahapon?
Sa Davao.
Ato ka sa Davao? Aw, gikan po ka sa Davao? Oo. Eh. Oh, ping wara sa bako. Wara ba yan sa bako, ping? Sa butuan sa bako to, ping. Bye, guys. Dim, dim. So we're going home. Okay na ka to? Oh. London is working. Good morning.
Ano ka kami?
Oh.
Ano ka?
Oo.
Magkakit na eh.
Ayaw ba?
Ang next day.
Parang sundo.
Ano dyan? Kuranda ba?
Gani. May sundo. Ligo na ko ng pool. Ay, nalukso si Pibingid kay gilakso-lakso.
Yeah. Gidasok sa kabinet yan.
Ay, ginoo. Ah, sakit eh. Kaboy.
Hanggang may rumba yan?
So, yung sa kaming last.
Ito yung kuhan.
Saan? Hanap kami.
Okay sa word yan kung hamuki.
So, hello. So, we're going to Bukidnon and wag gini sa plano among lakaw. Wag gini sa plano among lakaw nga manglakaw mig Bukidnon. Kuan man ang to ka ng Siargao. Siargao ang tato nga plan pero the weather is not really good and it's always